Leo? ¿A dónde vamos?
A agarrar una cámara.
Aquí están las cameras. Esta es the M50. It's pretty too. But it's like big and bulky. I would want something smaller. It's actually like this one. It's nice. It's like big. A ver, ¿cuál es esa?
Barbershop.
Oh, that's a G7X. Everyone has that one.
Pues you're everyone.
Oh, it's broken. G7? Oh my god, he's standing up. Israel, siéntate. Israel. Oh my god, these kids. I'm okay, sitting down, please. Ooh, that one's nice. It's the same one, mi amor. G7X.
Pero pues te voy a tomar una propuesta. ¿Por qué?
Oh, why is that one more expensive?
Por los pixeles.
Let me see. Oh shit. But it's because I tested this one. Oh, I look crusty, musty. My phone camera low-key looks better. You can't see my ex. Mi amorcito. Mamá, prueba con la luz una cámara. Por fin, por fin, por fin. Uh-oh. I need to change his diaper. Okay, so the only one that's available here. Oh, what the heck? Aquí en la Best Buy. But look at the difference, okay? How do you turn? The Canon G7X Mark. Is it Mark 3? Mark 3? I don't know what but look at you can see my pimples and in my camera you can't see my pimples. Leo, ¿qué hiciste? Se miran más mis imperfections. Can you tap on the screen? It's not working. Anyways, but you can see my imperfections more. Look at this one. Look at the difference. Look at my phone and look at the... I look prettier on this one, girly.
Where?
This one, on my phone.
Yeah, but there's no brightness. I see fine.
Mira, salió otro de allá adentro.
Oh, sí?
Yes, there's another one. It's sleeping too. They look like big rats. Mira, mi amor. What is that? It looks like a rat.
Hamster. It's a hamster.
Why are they like that? They look like ratones.
Son roedores, ¿no?
Levanta Leo para que mire.
Aquí están. Mira, mami, aquí están.
Oh, yeah. Ahí está otro arriba. Papá te habla.
¿Qué pasa, hijo? Mira, aquí está uno blanco, adentro.
Really?
Yeah.
No, that's a rat. Ooh. Oh, it's in there. So.
No, sí, estos son maíz.
Ew! Ay, me da cosa. There's a snake in there. Oh, no se ve.
Oh, ese pitón.
Oh, there's a lizard in there. You can't even see because like of the glare, but I should.
Oh, sí. Ay, ¿cómo está en el agua?
Acá no hay nada. Oh, esa atrás, este is the colorful one. Right there. There's another one. Uy, they're funky looking. Acá abajo, ¿qué hay? A ver, Leo. What's that? There's something in there. ¿Qué hay una araña aquí, amor? Amor? Is there a spider in there? Oh no, it's empty.
¿Tarántula?
Yeah. Amor, why pay to go to the zoo when you have a free zoo here?
Right? That's what I was thinking.
Mande.
Pero ¿cómo se suben con la escalera?
Stay sturdy. Ah, this is why I hate buying these stands because they do not work. It's already broken and I just bought it. Ya le doy una, mi amor. Los daños es small. Es okay, ponle todas las que tienes ahí. Okay, oh, not this side coming out while I'm gonna twerk. My double chin has to go, guys, but look at me eating McDonald's. así como quiero, ¿verdad? So, estoy tomando un cafecito de hazelnut de McDonald's and it's delicious. Oh, mi papá. Tengo que usar más mi... Yeah, baby, my rock. Okay, you guys, so por fin se me hizo. After a month bugging my husband to buy my camera, me la compró, agarré el PowerShot G7X Mark III. Es la cámara que agarré o que me compraron. La voy a hacer un unboxing ahorita cuando llegue a la casa. So I can show you guys. Mande. Es que las otras son para las fotos y estas son para videos. Oh shit. Es que tengo otra cámara, Canon PowerShot SH something, no sé. Pero esa es específicamente para las fotos porque he tratado, actually antes con esa cámara grababa mis videos de maquillaje, mis tutorials de antes, mis videos viejos. Pero se calentaba y se apagaba, so por eso nunca la usé después de eso. No, mi picture, my picture. But yeah. Y ahorita estamos aquí, fuimos a Petco, pero no tenían de la comida que queríamos para los conejos, porque si no saben, tenemos 2 conejos ahí en la casa. Y Jesús vino a Pet Supplies a agarrar la comida. So aquí estamos esperándolo, comiendo nuestro McDonald's. Leo, ¿tú quieres ser youtuber o qué?
Dale una coca de leche.
So, ahorita los miro cuando llegue a la casa para enseñarles mi cámara. She's excited. Gracias a Dios, porque
¿Tú excited?
I'm excited. Por fin se me hizo. How cute are our little bunnies? Look, I think they're actually gonna like the hay. Look at they're so cute. They look so cute. Like they act like little dogs. How cute. So many little hays. They went. Not the shits. Okay, please excuse me. Ya tenemos aquí ratito en la casa, pero dije como los niños están tranquilitos ahorita viendo la tele. Oop, I spoke too fucking soon. Here comes the little one. But anyways, let's see if I can do this. Les quiero hacer el unboxing porque ya sé que ya les enseñé, pero I ended up getting the PowerShot baby. I ended up getting the PowerShot Canon G7X Mark III. So I'm gonna hacer el unboxing aquí together. If I can open this girly. Okay. No me le voy a mover a eso, Israel. Okay, so ¿cómo se ve cuando lo abres? Y es brand new, okay? Some papers that I have to read. Tengo que leer hasta este librito porque en la otra cámara no supe cómo moverle, la verdad. So, si quiero saber cómo moverle a esta, so tengo que leer. So, aquí está la actual camera. Wait, this is not the camera, really. I was like, it's tiny as fuck. Es para el cargador para cargar la pila. The camera's right here, girlies.
You got this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so nice. It's pretty, huh, baby? Wow, she has a camera. Who is she? Okay, so this is the main reason, es la mera razón por la que quería la cámara, por el viewfinder, the screen, whatever, como se diga. So, vamos a prenderla.
Hey, Mom.
Wait, do I have to charge this before?
Mami.
Espérame.
Mami.
Espérame, amor.
Okay.
Ni sé cómo prenderla, qué bruta. Does it have the battery inside out? Open. Wait. Ni tiene la pila. Ay, qué expectativa le tengo que meter. viene aparte. Oh, it's so tiny compared to the other one. Vamos a meter la pila. Va así. Okay. No, te veaste por allá. Girly, how do you do this? Okay, got it. Okay, dice daytime zoom London. Ooh, it's touchscreen. Okay. Zone. Wait, how do I change this? Okay, let me figure this out y ahorita les enseño maybe la difference, okay? De la calidad de... You know? Okay, I'll be back. Okay. I think I got it to work. Wait, why is it blurry? Okay, so I'm recording. Oh yeah, this is gonna be very hard to focus. Escuché que... Oh, there you go. Escuché que está difícil tratar de hacer esto que haga focus y se va a apagar ahorita because I need to charge the battery. But this is how she looks. Oh, not my mess in the back. Look at the difference. You can see my acne scars way more on this other camera. Pero lo bueno es que cuando tenga mi makeup hecho... Okay, let me start recording on this one. Lo bueno que cuando me haga el makeup se me va a ver el makeup bomb. But this is how I actually look, guys. Welcome. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is the difference of the quality. I low-key like my camera quality because you can't see this, but it's okay. No, but it is gonna be bomb for like party vlogs. But yeah, I'm so happy. How do you stop recording? Wait, how do you do this? Oh my god, who is she? Okay, let's stop. Okay, so I'm back on my phone. But this is literally, baby stop, this is literally the last time you guys will see this quality. But yeah, los miro en mi siguiente video. Ya saben, stay tuned, because hopefully I'm gonna be bringing out good quality videos. Y lo que me tiene más emocionada es que no voy a batallarle para el audio. I hope, fingers crossed, que no me falle la cámara. But yes, thank you guys for watching y los miro en mi siguiente video. Bye!